testing illegal fake makeup from Five Below. Apparently they sell $1 and $5 knockoffs of expensive Sephora products. So which one's better? Starting off with Lazy Days Hydrating Skin Tint, which is a clear copy of Summer Days Hydrating Skin Tint. Okay, but why does this actually look legit? I'm doing half my face in the fake Five Below makeup and then the other half in Sephora using the real thing because I'm broke. So stick around because if an employee catches me doing this, I might actually get banned. I'm gonna get my real answer on how good this is when I'm at Sephora. We have the Flawless Contour Wand. The packaging on this is literally identical. I mean, the only difference is this one has a fun little charm. Make sure to stick around to the end of the video because I'll let you know if the fake products are actually better than the real thing. Ooh, look at the little puffy little, ooh, that's so cute.
20 minutes later.
I don't know. I'm gonna have to just dab it onto here because that's a lot. Have I mentioned that I've never done this before? I gotta research how to do this. Comment down below if you do makeup like this or not. I'm dying to know what the employees at Sephora are gonna think of this. After putting the product on, I mean, it doesn't feel cheapy to me. I mean, we'll definitely be able to see the difference later on. Is Five Below asking for a lawsuit? Ooh, it looks like nail polish, but it's not nail polish. It goes on my face. The color, it's not coloring right. I don't know, like I think I put a lot on my face there and only a little bit of, you know, blush came out of it. I want my cheeks to look like Sabrina Carpenter, so I'm gonna put more of this on. Oh wow. Oh, this is stunning. In all seriousness, why would I pay $20 extra for a brand name? Like that makes no sense. But I don't know, I haven't tried the real one yet. We'll have to find that part out later. Next, Milk Jelly Blush. And this one's Hello Kitty edition. Oh, it's so cute, I love it. So I actually do own the Milk Jelly Blush and can I just say, the packaging? It's identical. It is the same packaging. Look, it's got the same like seal on the top. Ooh. Okay, all right, now let's see how much product they give you for $5. Oh wow, this has more product than this. Ooh, the color is so pretty on this. Look at that, it's like a Red Lip Classic. Oh my God, it has a flavor. It tastes like apple. Wait a minute. You know what this means. I have to do it. Okay, here we go. Oh! Our final product is the Lazy Days Lip Balm, which is a clear knockoff of the Summer Days Lip Balm. Again, I don't know how these people aren't getting sued, but okay. Oh God, this looks like it was opened. That makes me a little scared. I would think that they can ensure that the $24 one, that this doesn't happen. So I'm kind of leaning more towards the expensive product on this, but hey, we'll have to find out. This is iced latte flavored. I'm curious if it's actually gonna taste like that. This is pretty. I don't taste any flavoring. No iced coffee. That's false advertising. All right, so here's the shade. We gotta slap her on the face. Broke. I don't know, right now I'm kind of rooting for the $5 version if you ask me. Oh wait, oh, it's a squirt bottle. It feels kind of the same to the $5 version. I feel like this side's cakier than the $5 side. That is Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, here she is. See, when it doesn't say the price, that's when you know it's expensive. So it's definitely the same color. Five Below got the color down. To me, it feels the same. I mean, it's definitely shinier, and the Five Below one has the little charmy charm. $5 compared to $42. I'd go with the $5 one. I think the cheap ones won this battle. This is the Glow Recipe Liquid Blush. It's $25. Oh wow, this color is a lot pinker than the one that I got. The one that I got was like dark like that. This is definitely not the color. I'm gonna look insane. Right from here, we're going out to dinner at Olive Garden, so I'm gonna look kind of cuckoo kazoo at Olive Garden. And I'll attach a clip of that at the end of the video so you know I'm not lying. I would say the only difference is the label on the packaging. So you're really paying for the brand name. And I don't know about you, I'm all about getting the cheaper items. So I would say the $5 one wins on this. That looks like somebody had a breakfast, lunch, and dinner on that. The color on the $26 one lasts longer. Milk Jelly Blush definitely wins this one. This is the Summer Fridays lip gloss. This one looks brown. One at Five Below advertised itself as brown, but it came out clear. The one from Five Below claimed to have a flavor to it. It did not. Ooh, and that has a flavor to it. It tastes like cocoa-y. Summer Fridays definitely wins this one. YouTube thinks you're gonna wanna watch this video. Subscribe, bye!